Hey there, it's Chris from Big Lake. We have a new boat coming into the shop. This is a Bluenose, made in Southern Ontario. Factored into the prep shop, pull the tarps off, get the snow, hit the heat. Gonna take a look. The customer is looking to have us tune it up from the skeleton up, sort of fix the bones, and then see how much we have left in the budget to take care of the rest. They've stripped hardware and trim and everything off for us to access it. Told me there was some soft spots on it. So we'll take a look, assess it, and see what we need to do. Whoa. Yeah. So I'm thinking some soft cores there. Probably a great sailor. So to fix this core, we're gonna need to, I think we're gonna have to pull the upper deck to assess the damage further. It's gonna be a fair bit of, work. The wood's all rotten out there. Okay, well, we'll have to pull off the upper deck. We're gonna have to lift that off, take a peek underneath and see what's going on. We'll check in that in a bit.